students, welcome to SST class. Let us start the fourth lesson, the Great Indian Desert. In this lesson we shall study desert as a landform, the Great Indian Desert, animal and plant life in deserts, people and their daily lives in deserts. Refer page number 180. What is a desert? A desert is a barren means empty, and sandy land that receives very little rainfall. A land without any plants, and it is sandy, there no plants are grown. Deserts are formed over a long period of time as a result of poor rainfall and soil erosion. How are the deserts formed? It is because of the poor rainfall. There is no rainfall at all. Once in a year, that too it is very low amount of rainfall in the deserts. And soil erosion. Soil erosion means that topsoil is carried away by the wind from one place to another. It is called soil erosion. Naturally, deserts have very little vegetation. Vegetation means plants are not grown there. Very little vegetation is there. Here and there some plants are grown. For example, cactus, date palm tree. These are the plants grown there because there is no water for them to grow. The desert region in India is located around the southwest part of the northern plains. You can see the map. Refer the picture. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is located in western Rajasthan and covers a major part of the state. Rajasthan is also known as the desert state of India. In India, when we say desert, we remember Rajasthan, Jaisalmer, and all. Okay. The Aravalli region lies in the eastern region of the desert state. The Thar covers a major part of Rajasthan and extends up to Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. Page number 181. Desert as a landform. Desert do not have much vegetation because of scanty rainfall. Because of less rainfall, sometimes there is no rainfall at all. Because of no rainfall, there are no plants grown in that area. Plant life exists only in the form of thorny shrubs, herbs, cacti, date palms, kikar and babul, etc. that do not need much water. Cactus are thorny plants. You have seen the thorny plants, mullina gida. Okay. Lack of vegetation also causes soil erosion and dust storms. Strong winds that blow in deserts carry sand over long distance and form sand hills. These go up to even 500 meters high and are called sand dunes. See the pictures, sand dunes, cacti, date palms. Water and vegetation in deserts. Deserts also have oases. Area in a desert where there is water and plants. You can see in the picture. Oasis is in a desert, a small area of land covered with water and surrounded by few trees, that is called oasis. We see many date palms, shrubs, herbs and some vegetation in oasis. Naturally, there are human settlements around oasis. Crops such as bajra, jawar, maize, sesame and groundnuts are grown in summers, while wheat, mustard and cumin seeds, jeera seeds are grown in winters. Irrigation means supplying water to the fields. It is called irrigation on a large quantity. Irrigation. The Indian government has greatly helped Rajasthan tackle the problem of water shortage by way of a big canal called the Indira Gandhi Canal. In desert, there is no rain, so there is less amount of water. So, to grow plants, to grow crops and all, you need to have water. So, to avoid the problem of water shortage, the government has helped Rajasthan by constructing a Indira Gandhi Canal, also known as the Rajasthan Canal, which brings water from river Satluj to Rajasthan. The 500 kilometer long canal provides water to northwestern Rajasthan, Ganganagar district as well as parts of Bikaner district. The canal has helped the people of the desert, page number 182, desert state to tackle water shortage faced in households and farms too. More and more land is now being brought under cultivation. If there is water, enough of water, then you can cultivate crops. Wheat, maize, jawar, bajra, cotton, pulses and sugarcane are also grown here now. Due to the Indira Gandhi Canal or Rajasthan Canal, many crops are grown in the desert area also. The Indira Gandhi Canal also supplies drinking water to thousands of people living in the interiors of the Thar desert region. Here there is no problem of drinking water for the people living in deserts also. You can see the Indira Gandhi Canal picture. It was built in 1965. Do you know the Indira Gandhi Canal is a major step in reclaiming the Thar desert and checking desertification, fertile land being turned into desert of fertile areas. There is also an ongoing planting program for greening the desert in areas near the Indira Gandhi Canal, which was started in 1965. So thank you children. In the next class we will continue the same lesson. Take care.